let's give away another prize. Now, you're a customer, you just came by, right? You don't work for the company. Okay, I got something for you. This is special. Savvy, who helps do some of the marketing here, runs a nonprofit called Give Me a Break. What Give Me a Break is, it helps people get a break who do care for their mom or dad. You know, that kind of, you know, could be daycare, could be your family care. But if you need a break, they have all the resources for you. Where to get a bed, where to get a care home or a full-on nursing home. Maybe just to, where to get information to talk about the stress you're having. On the right side, we know it must be a JDM. To come out, and she came out. Wow, did she earn $50 of gas? Okay, we're gonna set her, and we'll give her some mementos from O'Reilly and some other stuff. Thank you, Janelle, for coming.